Hi, I'm Carol from grandevents.la. We're going to look at putting together a centerpiece for Easter today. First thing we've done is come up with a glass cylinder that we've then filled with the plastic Easter eggs. And you can get these at any party store, and they're available in all different colors. Then I was able to find this also at the party store, which is just a rabbit head that I perched up here and scattered some Easter eggs around. These Easter eggs you can fill with candy so that all of your guests at the table can have fun opening them up and enjoying the candy during the party. This is one way to put together an Easter centerpiece. If you don't want to buy or you can't find something like this, you can always take a styrofoam ball and add cotton balls to it to give it this poofy look. And then in the craft store, buy the palms and some eyes and stick them into the ball. And that's another easy way to put together a rabbit centerpiece for Easter. The other sample I have to show you is taking a plastic Easter basket in a pastel color, filling it with a shred. And then you can also put some Easter eggs in here if you like. And buy a cute little rabbit that you just perch on top. And that's a very simple way of putting together a centerpiece for Easter. If you don't want to do the stuffed animal, then there are all kinds of graphics available which you can add a stick to this and perch him up on top and then just fill your basket with Easter eggs and candy like this. And that's also a really easy way to put together a centerpiece for Easter. I'm Carol from Grand Events, and this is how to put together a centerpiece for Easter.